Okay, so today's Think About It is just seeing how comfortable you are with the 4 operations in math. So the operations in math are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. These are called operations, and there's only 4 of them. So let's see how you do with just these basic math facts. So for letter A, I want you to actually say this, -3 times 5. This means -3 times 5. Positive times negative is negative. 5 times 3 is 15. So you should have gotten -15. For letter B, I want you to say 28 divided by 4. It's not 28 over 4. You've got to say one of these operations. So 28 divided by 4, that is a math fact. If you don't know it, then in your calculator, you type 28, the division sign, and then 4, and you will get 7. Letter C, the way we say this is -4 minus 8. So you're going to say -4 minus 8. If you look, these have the same sign. So we're going to add 4 plus 8, which is 12, and we're going to keep that sign, which is negative, so -12. And the last one is a simple one. It's just addition. 12 plus 8 is 20. So hopefully you were able to get those done correctly. If not, make sure you change your answers. Now we're going to start solving some one-step equations.